Game. Gross on microscopy explained. Another pet question for the undergraduates for centuries. I hope you are able to make out the diagnosis. This can be given to you as a clinical picture or a problem. Sickle cell anemia. And the importance of it is given over here. It can be an essay or a short note, a slide or a chart, and definitely a viva question as well. The theory I shall not be going into. You will have to look into the hereditary hemoglobin disorders, the formation of hemoglobin S, and what are the different conditions such as sickle cell trait, sickle cell anemia, and what is the ultimate basis of a sickle cell anemia. And these cells are hammock shaped. Hammock is a knife that is used for harvesting the crop. So some of the communist parties also have got this kind of a symbol. And this is a normal RBC for contrast. This is a peripheral smear in a case of a sickle cell anemia. I am able to see normocytic RBCs throughout, a good number of normocytic RBCs, whereas some, as the white arrow is pointing to, is appearing crescentic or hammock shaped. A good number of cells are target cells. They have a central hemoglobinization and peripheral hemoglobinization. And one of the cell, it is having a bluish tinge, it is slightly larger, there is no nucleus. This is a polychromatic cell or a reticulocyte. I am seeing another such cell over here. So this is clearly a case of a full-blown sickle cell anemia. What are the features of it? The hemoglobin is reduced. RBCs are normocytic, normochromic. Take this cell for example. There is no pallor. It is normocytic, normochromic. Polychromatic cells are seen, as pointed out. Sickle cells are present. Target cells are present. And being a hemolytic anemia, the serum bilirubin is increased. So again describe it, a good number of cells are normocytic, normochromic, they are all dorsoventrally flattened, but then there are other cells which are elongated, slightly curvilinear, becoming rigid and sickle shaped. In this context, I would like you people to read up. What is reversible sickling? What is irreversible sickling? What are the tests for sickle cell anemia? What is hemoglobin electrophoresis and sickle cell crisis? These are all asked as independent questions for you people. And the answers can be found in one page. See you in game 38.